my youth, just go. Me, doctor, lawyer, scientist, and teacher, and me can't even read neither.
How you say name?
Yeah, Jebbe.
Okay.
My father get the cane bonus. I'm here to tell you, sir. So everybody I get them my father in the house attack say shoes for Margie, shoes for you, clothes for this. So my mother say, then what about the other one? That's me, you know. So my father throw $5 for the money. So my mother go buy shoes. So she buy the booger for me, GB. We get a touch at Grand Market, and January morning we get a touch go to school. Then at school, one of my cousins left all in bomb clad peanuts. Go tap for me and bite out in clad. You know they me down, pussy in the boot. A man, they don't take off the shoes and no one wear it because I forced me wear shoes. Bro, they're about 9. The boy go to for me shoe. Brother Jesus Christ. Hey, I bite, hey, I'm nearly killing cock all over Coxon School. But you can't take for my shoes. Eh? I thought you tell me where because you can't take a foot tap on your tell you I'm making peace. In damn face. Take for my shoes. Oh.
You say for 7, a gang me, all 7 head. Hey, you ass bone, you sing. Come in up in and miss them time there. When me playing one story, yeah, in shut up the fuck.
It broke.
Hey, Pop, you there? Fuck up the garage. 7 head per day, me pop them.
Every day.
Every day of my life going to school, 7 head shall be up. Long as you make teacher beat me, cut. We don't do that. They come pick at me now and then lick me first. I will not lick them back now if I start. Well, then gang up and say, teacher, he's in first. And when you was going to me now, could you see? I quite like a share of domino man. And me a plant for them raws, you know, sir. And teacher said, Jordan, imagine you fight all those little children. I said, teacher, look at this way. You think I could have fight 6 children out there? Me alone, teacher. Could I fight 6 of them? You know, sister, them a fight me, teacher. Teacher said, me church out me and me church out me and teacher put this strap, he kiss me all them place. And the job at me and he kiss teacher on his leg.
Baby.
I saw he shop kiss teacher on his leg. Teacher grabbed me up, man, and warm up so liquor that my blood clot, you know, my lord. He said, okay. You see a strike clock when you get recess, hard blood clot head start pop. Hard head. If teacher back come, the head pop, you walk.
Whiz what? Zing zing.
Zing. That time, my young is the side of ass me, man. I said, I'm turn up. I lick down your whole blood clot and them, I said, alright, go on.
And take care of yourself.
My young grill. He said, don't stop. He said, go up there, son. And them know if you're going on, man. And me turn up there. And two of them two little girls, man. And my young grill, me put pot and clean and nice, man. Barefoot in the man. Oh God, man. Barefoot. And my sister them clean and nice, you know, man. Me clean up glass boy can't fuck with my young grill. Me kill them from school road. Me mash up them. You see what me saying, gone? Me tell up in the congregation and say, you know, come, fool. Let me kill you now, because 6 come here and me no listen on my lad. And then can't run me and catch me. Back then,
You're fast.
like rocket. So me stand up and pop your ass. He pop me. He in that side, he in the head. When me see, he will clear up.
You stay with yourself.
Man, Captain school, we come from them, and we are come cross with Captain there, and we are come Multali. No boy, up a piece of wheel or no bed, cannot go next. 7 head, 3 from Crawl River and 3 from Captain Head, well packed.
True, man.